Good morning guys! Magluto tayo ng kakainin ng aking mga anak. Yan, ulam namin. Ulam namin silo. Sarap yan guys. Hello! Good morning! Please like and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching everyone. Thank you so much and God bless. Yan guys. Luto ako ng tuyo. Ang bango.